Hey everyone, ready to get started with Testbook? In this video, let's understand two simple ways to register with Testbook. Let's jump right in. After installing the Testbook app, tap on Get Started to open it. You'll land on this screen. Let's dive into the first method. Simply tap on the Register option. You'll see this registration form. Go ahead and fill in your name and a valid email address. Once you're done, click Register. Now, check your email for an OTP one-time password. Got it? Enter it in the app and tap Submit. Once you verified the OTP, it's time to set a password. After setting your password, tap Save and Sign In. You'll see a success message. You're now signed in and ready to explore Testbook. Now, let's explore the second method using your Google account. Tap Get Started, then select the Google option. You'll be prompted to choose an account. Choose the relevant account and then enter your password. Simply click Next and you are all set. That's it. Now you can dive into all the amazing features waiting for you. Happy learning!